Hello, thank you for watching this video. We are lucky to be alive. Think about it this way, our universe is about 14,000 million years old. That is about 140 million centuries. Some 60 million centuries from now, our sun will become a red giant and engulf the earth. So, there are about 200 million centuries from origin of the universe to end of the world. Our present century is a tiny spotlight inching its way on a giant ruler of time. Everything before the spotlight is in darkness of the dead past. Everything after the spotlight is in darkness of the unknown future. We live in the spotlight. Out of all 200 million centuries, 199,999,999 centuries are in darkness. Only one is lit up, and by sheer luck, we happen to be alive in that one spotlight, and we are here. Now, imagine a spaceship full of sleeping explorers, perhaps the last population of Earth, as Earth is about to be destroyed, sending out humans to look for a planet anywhere to carry on humanity. The spaceship turns out to be unimaginably lucky and arrives at a very rare planet capable of sustaining life. A planet with right temperature, right oxygen, right atmospheric pressure, and so on. Our passengers wake up and they see a beautiful world, a world of waterfalls, mountains, greenery, colored animals, and a world teeming with life. Can you imagine how you will feel when you wake up after hundreds of millions of years of sleep in a spaceship and found yourself to be on such a world, a beautiful world? You may walk around in trance and awe, unable to believe a rare sight in front of your eyes. Such a beautiful world. After millions of years of sleep and traveling through the darkness of space. Well, this will almost certainly never happen to us. Yet, in a way, this is just what has happened to us. We have woken up after millions of years of sleep. But we didn't arrive by a spaceship, we arrived by being born. The wonders of a planet, the surprises of it, is the same whether we arrive by a spaceship or by birth canal. We are amazingly lucky to be here and privileged, and we must not waste that privilege. Here, it seems to me, lies the best possible answer to those narrow minded people who go carping on about the use of science. Sir Michael Faraday was once asked, "What's the use of science?" Sir Faraday replied, "What's the use of a baby?" I have always thought what Faraday meant by that must be that a baby has so much potential. It may not be able to do very much now, but it can do a lot. Faraday also meant that there is no point in bringing a baby into this world if all that it's going to do is to work to go on a living, to living, and to work to go on a living again. If that's the point of life, then what are we here for? There's got to be more to it than that. Some of life must be devoted to living itself. Some of life must be devoted to doing something worthwhile with one's life, not just perpetuating it. After sleeping for 140 million centuries, we have finally woken up in the universe. We have opened our eyes on a wonderful planet, a planet filled with color, teeming with life. And before long, we shall have to close our eyes again. Finding out about the universe in which we have woken up, answering questions like what are we doing here? What is this universe? What is life? And what is it for? Surely, an enterprise which answers questions like that, science deserves more respect. Put it like that, doesn't science sound to you like just about the most worthwhile way you could spend your short time in the spotlight? Now, if you spend all your time roaming about, gasping at things like how wonderful this is, how beautiful this is, I've woken up after 1 million years of centuries, after such a deep sleep, what a trip, it's amazing. People might think you're a bit odd, even might get you arrested. We do have an ordinary life to get on with. We do have to earn a living by being a carpenter, a plumber, a doctor, an engineer, something like that. But it is also worthwhile from time to time to shake off the anesthetic of familiarity and to awaken to the wonders of the world which is all around us all the time.